Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. You swipe left on my heart like a Tide app. Two-step verification, but you knew the trap. Said I need space, but your timeline's packed. Our flame died quicker than a birthday snap. Your lips dripped honey with a cyanide twist. Canceled our plans like a streaming service missed. We were Wi-Fi strong, but you switched to 5G speeds. Let me buffering in your cloud of deceit. Got me like spam mail. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Always remember. No. Always remember.
Think.
Becky. Hello everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So we are here now. We received this laptop from my tita. I diagnosed this today for this video and for the help again from my husband because I don't know how to fix it, but he helped me to
From 2 hours
diagnose.
he's asking me, please make a setup. I want to make a video like you. I want to fix like you because my tita is keep asking me.
Yes.
Actually, their tita supposed to come here by 7 o'clock to collect.
To connect the phone.
But from 4 o'clock, 4:30 we start doing this all setups. But all of a sudden my 2 laps of NVIDIA chip is stopped working. I don't understand what's the reason, but I can able to watch video. We can do anything. But NVIDIA, once I install the software, it stopped working everything. Even my recording software also, it has stopped detecting the hardware of the video. So that's a problem. It took a little longer time, but now we are jumping to diagnosing. I'm going to teach her what is the problem, what is the time now. Okay, this is 6:44. So we're going to diagnose now. Let's begin now. I'll show you what is the problem. Better you use your watch to
6:44.
it's visible at least, see.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Oh, it's connected. It's saying charging, but let's try to turn on.
Oh, this turn on.
Right.
Wait. Okay. You see?
Turn on the laptop. So
Okay,
we
it's
turn on
on.
the laptop. It's on and off. It's on and off.
On and
Okay.
off.
So I can see any one of that. You can take it. If it is connected, the side. Power on.
Alright, power up.
See, it's coming.
Coming. Fine.
But just wait for a while. It's gone.
Oh,
So, which means laptop powering on, but there is no post. I mean, there is no any display on it. So what we have to do is
So it's
first
like
we have to diagnose
what is
it.
the problem? If I know.
It could be a minor or major. We need to diagnose. Okay, go one by one. She already opened the screw. Okay,
Yeah, I already opened this because we need to.
and then she decided she wanted to do video. So we are coming back.
Talk to them.
Yeah, nothing comes on the screen. It's shut down.
Shut down.
So it seems like a motherboard problem.
Motherboard.
So I need to
problem.
open and check what is. If it is a major problem, I advise them to not to repair because this is a pretty old model and there's no
Spare parts
spare parts also not available. And whatever the softwares are available these days, that is more powerful software. So this laptop cannot handle that process.
configuration like that.
Because this has a very low configuration. It has
Low.
i7.
It's a i7.
i7, but RAM, these are all, it's very low. Maybe we can install Windows 7 operating system or Windows 10, not Windows 11.
So the latest daw po tita na Windows is Windows 11.
Okay, we will check and let
So
them know.
we check daw po ngayon. So time po is 3:14. Okay. So we will let you know after
Open,
this.
you know how to open, no?
So he let me to open up. Said it. No lights mo.
It's okay.
Oh, it's a long screw.
That's a keyboard screw.
Okay. So we need to open this tita.
Only this part to open. Only. You open this.
I-
This all the screw. Slide down.
slide down.
Yeah, I want to check inside the hard disk if anything is missing or what, because they give to other service center.
Yeah,
There's a possible.
that's what they said. No? Can you please help me?
Wait, no, this is not a sliding mode. We need to open from here.
Okay, so you need to remove the battery first. This is the battery, tita.
Battery.
And then, like this one.
Lift it. It's not a sliding. Yeah, lift it.
See?
Okay.
So, tita, this is for your This is the motherboard here.
Inside it's a blue is a motherboard. Okay, we will check with the different RAM and see if it is powering or not. It comes with a Windows 7 only. See, because this doesn't support a. I think
it's an old model.
not even Windows 7. It is a Windows 7. Sorry,
Windows
you see
7.
Windows 7.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the inside of your laptop,
Yeah.
and then yes, they give to the other technicians.
It's okay. It's fine. Open. We will after examination. I will tell you.
Yeah, I already removed the screw actually. So first, if you want to open this, remove the battery first now. Wait, how is it?
Lift.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay.
Then battery. Then next
Next.
back door. So I think it's here.
This is the board actually. It seems everything looks okay by physical look, but we don't know what is happening inside. The first thing what we can do is I'll teach you, because I could able to see all the drive component, drive circuit here directly. I mean buck coils. So you see here, these are easy 1, 2, 3. Your Tesla is messaging.
Yeah, she's asking me. Okay,
Okay, she's messaging to her Tita only at this moment. So you just tell to your Tita first.
Yeah, she asking me the locations first, and then they're coming maybe 7:37.
Okay, we can do that. No worries. Let's see if it is small or big. We will check and we will let them know. So the first, these all are the buck coils. Okay. Yeah, because I feel maybe it's a short circuit. It's an internal motherboard short. Okay.
Yeah, because they my
It's
tita
turn
told me
on.
na, they give this to the other technicians
Okay.
first.
So it's turn on, it's shut down immediately, which means when it's try to turn on, something is stopping to turn on completely. So in this case, what we can use our power meter also. We can see how much power it is taking. So based on, we can also come to diagnose. Okay.
This one.
Yeah, that one only. Okay. So I'll give you the adapter. Use Dell adapter because we need to use this stuff.
Yeah.
But we don't know what is the voltages which coming. Let me check. We need to check the voltages range. So we have to check. Before you set the manual voltages, you need to check what is the voltages. I'll keep right like this way. Okay. Set the multimeter into voltage mode and check the voltages. From outer ring is a negative. There is a 2 inner ring. You see the micro pin. Don't try to touch together while you try to mess up the voltages. Okay, it causes the short circuit. You see internal ring. Internal ring. Just simply touch. What is the voltages it's showing?
10.
10.
9.
Why it's 10? Maybe some short circuit happened when I try to open it. It's normally 20. Okay.
13. No,
It's showing
13.
30
12.
maybe. Yeah. I believe this must be here. Wait. Here only we have not checked. I will remove.
Maybe that their battery charging is need to.
No. Let's see. Let me check. First check if there is a steady voltage. See 16 voltages.
14.
So which means their charger also has some problem. Wire issue.
Very sure.
Yeah. Charging wire. Do one thing. Set the voltages to the 80.
Voltage.
I teach already.
Sorry. 18.
18. Go for 18.5.
18.5. Like that.
Yeah. Come down. Ampere.
Okay.
Set ampere to 3 amps.
3 amps.
Yes.
Done.
Okay. Turn on the system. Okay. So now we are receiving output outside. Okay. So make sure you have an output here. You can also check it by here the same way. it's okay, it's close to 18.45.
18.5.
447, it's fine. So now it's coming. So connect the laptop and try to turn on at this moment. You see what happening. Okay.
No need to.
No, flip the laptop. You need to see now the difference. Okay, I will connect this also just to see when it is off. At the moment when it's turning off, just observe the ampere rate. Okay. So ampere rate, I'm gonna keep the my cursor. They can see it. This is the ampere. Okay. You can keep look at the ampere when it is going higher, when it is going to stop. Okay. It's tried to put. Oh, it's taking 1 amps, which means some short. It's not the full short. Some small short circuits are there, I believe. See, it's tried to reach 1 amps, 1.5 amps. So which means it's tried to turn on, but something is stopping. Okay, so we need to know some short circuits are there. So remove. For instance, we can check is there any short circuit on the CPU line, because this old model laptop we have a
This is the old model.
advantage where you can directly check the buck coil short circuit, it has an internal short or not. Okay, keep this away, set the meter to diode mode. You can keep diode mode, or this is better, continuity mode is preferable. Okay, light is coming perfect. Okay, so you have to use one red probe on the ground. It is always ground. Okay, and you see internally two coils. This is which is close to the CPU, and I don't think so there is no any dedicated graphics card for this. Okay, so maybe a CPU issue. Okay, we have to touch on the buck coil. I'm touching. It's showing 27 ohms.
Where na?
Which means it's okay, fine. One circuit is fine, there is no any short circuit. If it shows like this value 0.2, 0.5, it's a short circuit. Okay, but now there is no short circuit. First coil and second coil.
27.5
No.
also.
And what we have here, this is a PCH. This is also controller hub of all the component. Okay, most of the time there is a problem, this kind of a problem happens. So check this circuit. This also no short circuit, it's 186 ohm. Okay, no short. And come over here, this is I think drive voltages, I guess. Okay, there is no short circuit. So we do one thing directly, remove the CMOS battery. Okay, some cases if the CMOS is bad, this problem will happen. Okay, check the CMOS battery voltage. There is a 2 pin here, 1 2. Check voltages, how much voltages is there.
Then when
It should be always more than 2.8.
how I that?
Hold it.
Then 2 like this.
Yeah, slow. No voltages, it's
0.4.
0.4. No, yeah, 0.4.
Yeah. I thought
0.4. So it seems like this could be a problem maybe.
what is that again?
CMOS battery.
CMOS.
So we need to replace the CMOS battery. Okay, so we found the battery. So here
We have a
we
extra.
have some testing battery. This is a faulty one. It shows 4 point how much? Show it again.
Can you hold it? Okay.
If okay,
Yeah.
0.464
464.
voltages. Come here. They think okay.
Yeah. 0.4. Sorry. I remove that one. Oh, it's changing.
Don't press too much because the battery is it's almost dead. The life is gone, so it's keep reducing. You can see if you observe.
2.26. 0.26. Sorry.
Give me. Red should be red. Green should be green. 3.4 now. It's gone. Okay, pretty sure. So we're gonna replace this and see if it's work or not the laptop. Take it.
This one.
Check first polarity, right polarity. The first attempt only try to keep right polarity.
And so
3.2.
3.2.
It's perfectly fine. So try to connect this battery. And before that, just see because I feel there is a little difference in this connector, both the connector, but it's okay. Okay, perfect. The left side is black. So left side is a red, right side is a black. So the same orientation we have to place it. Goes like this. So plus is right side. On board, plus is right side. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Now you try with wait, because my space is small. Wait. Flip the laptop. It's okay. You can keep it. It's not gonna cause short circuit. Keep the defective.
I freak you. Sorry.
Yeah. It's fine, but we have to update them now.
They're coming. Okay. So try.
To turn on. Okay, it's turning on. Maybe it should work now. First.
On. Out.
Okay, see again same.
Yeah.
Same values, same readings. So here's some other problem.
Inside, inner.
Yeah, it's it could be anything. Okay, first thing is first remove anything is removable devices. Okay, maybe this is an old model, right? So remove the hard disk.
Yes.
Whatever removable device, you can just remove hard disk. You know how to remove? It's a simple. Just give a little push here. It should come out. Because this they did not connect properly. You see it? Way out of screen. Okay.
Okay.
This is a hard disk. Keep it safe. Their datas are inside. And the next one is the DVD player.
DVD player, yeah, that is the old one.
This old model has a little trick. I like it. You have to press this.
Yes, I have that laptop.
Press. And pull.
Tadaan! Oh my gosh, too dirty.
Okay, now remove the Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, these are all removable device, so easy to diagnose it. Maybe either one of them is a damage. Okay, in that case, system will not turn on this way. Okay, remove it. Now turn on the device same way like before. Try to turn on. You removed whatever removable device, right?
Yes.
So now it's time to flip and check again. Open the lid. Hey, unlock. Okay, wait. While holding, I need to connect it from back side. Okay. Now you have to press. Because we put the CMOS battery, right? So the system will not directly turn on unless you press the power button. Okay, because it's waiting for your command.
Okay.
But before the battery, the defective battery, it will not wait for your command because the battery itself is gone. So system doesn't know what we are giving input details. Okay, so when we replace the battery, system waiting for our command. Okay, see, now still is a problem. Press once again. I wanted to know, I want to observe. So it's powering on here. Output voltage is fine. Okay, let's press the caps button. Nothing. No, it's not taking any amperes. First thing first, check the RAM. Yeah. Wait, okay, this is the RAM. How many RAM they have? Only one, huh? Okay, I taught you already in previous time, right? How to remove the RAMs. remove it. Keep it safe. Mark anything if you want.
Wait. I'm scared. Okay.
Keep it right better. It will not go anywhere.
Because maybe other we don't
So
have it.
we have to have. So what is the configuration? DDR3, DDR4, DDR3. Check.
How I know this? Wait.
In PC.
PC.
PC 3L.
3L.
Okay, which means DDR3.
And you know the numbers.
DDR3 low voltages. Check in this. Find out if we have it or not. If it is fall.
Same like this?
Don't mix with it.
Yeah, but same like this.
Yeah. I need a DDR3.
DDL3.
DDR3 or PC
DDR4.
PC3L.
DDR4.
DDR4. Keep it. It's the latest model. That all. DDR.
No.
What did
PC4.
PC4. No.
PC4. PC4.
Then which means we don't have, I guess.
PC4.
Because I'm working more on latest laptops, so there is.
What is this? Nothing.
Other side.
PC4.
Okay.
Same PC4.
The last one there.
PC4.
Okay, give me. How come all PC4 you saying?
Yeah.
You see better this way. The design. Keep like this. If the design matches.
That is.
Okay. No. Keep it. Give me one by one. Wait. It's matching?
No.
Okay. You do it by yourself now. I will give you one by one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? How come?
Oh, not matching. Okay.
It's not also.
Okay.
No. No. No.
This one? No.
So,
Then we have to check in our old box or something. We don't have. Do we have any old laptops? Old model?
I don't know.
Check this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Try
Yeah. This is.
Try with that. Before try, just check if the gold plate is all clean.
Yeah, yes, still.
Other side,
Yeah.
install. No, wrong.
So, like this?
That's right, but you did not push inside. First push inside. And
Okay.
slowly, gently give a pressure on both sides
Okay.
until you hear click sound. Okay. Now we will try once. If it is not, the next is you have to remove all the screw. Okay. Open the laptop. Let me connect to this one, and I'm going to connect this one. Now this one. See, now also the same, but you try to turn on and see. Turn on. You see the difference now?
Yeah. 800.
It stays.
One.
Wait. Maybe the system try to restarting again. See?
Yeah. 800.
See the difference?
One.
Just wait for a while. Again it's restarting. Without any reason now.
Oh.
It's ready. Okay?
Oh.
System is working fine. So the problem is then what?
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 This
Yes, this is the
problem.
wait. This is the problem. Tell to your ate.
Yeah, tita, this is your problem of your laptop. So we check all.
But we don't know after connecting this all we have to check once.
Yeah.
Whatever you removed,
So one is about this one problem first, and then
no, we need to put back everything and check is there any
Okay.
problem still there or not. Any some other problem. Because in this you will not come to know anything, right?
okay. So
What
this is
you-
the problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the primary suspect.
Primary
Okay.
suspect.
Now maybe some other problem that we need to check. Turn off the device.
I see the freak.
Okay. Remove. Put back all the things that you removed from the laptop. No, why are you removing that?
I. Yeah. Like that, right?
But how to put the screw?
Where's the screw here? Where's the sun? Give me the.
That is the screw, are you sure?
Yeah. I know. I didn't
Other one.
complete all. Ano need na this or need pa?
What you have to connect everything.
Oh.
If the same problem, some problems are maybe there. We don't know, right? You will tell, oh, laptop is working. Immediately should not tell until open completely, check everything.
Like this way.
Try to insert, but this has a little tricks. It has to fit there because they did not use the bigger size. Yeah, it's a smaller. Yeah, it's settled. Now it is settled. Okay, put it back.
Oh,
Uh,
how I know again?
Forget.
No, wait. I see na. Yeah, the color coded. Sorry.
Wrong. Maybe you need a light. Also, I'm giving you a light.
Slowly. Where's the hole? Charan!
Channelize. It should be inside a channel.
Okay.
Keep the battery safe somewhere. Okay.
Maybe sticker.
Yeah, then later
Later.
after you check, maybe you can use it.
Yeah. So dirty.
Luckily, we have one CRT battery, not CRT, RTC battery, because I was working last week this camera. That's what CRT only keep coming. Okay.
Okay.
All you connected? Slowly flip.
Flip.
Connect. This time maybe it will take little longer ampere rates because we connected new three hardwares. But
It's an old model now. See.
turn on the device. Let's see the ampere rate changes. See, it stays
1.2.
1.2 amps. It's taking. Ta-da! Press the F2 button. Okay, to continue, press F1. Change the setup. F2. Press the F2. There we can see some small information about this laptop. Hardware information, not media information. Battery is not present because we remove the battery. System information is fine. Memory, RAM you install 8 GB. All is okay, and the rest everything is fine. Only thing is we have to check the hard disk is detected or not. So if the hard disk is not detected, you have to tell them hard disk need to be replaced. And this type of hard disk we don't have. It's detected. Primary hard drive 500 GB. Okay.
Nice.
So now I'm going to shut down. Press F9 or F12. This model I don't. Let's try to F9, F12. Booting. I need to start the operating system. F12.
So F12.
F12 is booting. Wait. strike F3 before the F1. Power warning. Yeah, power is not there. That's why. F3. Sorry. F3. Power warning message have been disabled. Run the setup utility and enable this message. Okay, done. We have to connect the battery and try this. Or we are using a different our power supply, right? So that's why it's giving a warning alert. See what is the alert is giving. The AC power adapter.
What is that?
Wattage and type cannot be determined. The battery may not charge.
This is
Okay.
simple adjust the
Yes.
performance to match the power available. So
Press F1. Go to CD, DVD, internal HDD, hard disk, right? Legacy, internal HDD. Press enter button. Let's see what happens now. It's boot or not, we don't know. Invalid partition tablet, which means press delete button. But press delete button. Invalid partition table. So maybe we need to install this operating system also in this, I believe. Operating system missing. Maybe it seems like operating system. The camera is not zooming more than this. It's okay now, fine. Control Alt delete. Tell them it takes. I need to download the software because this old model there is a one small tricks is there. Let me check that works or what. Because the old laptop has a little different type of settings need to be done. But also CMOS we resetted because the CMOS batteries went. User.
wow.
Okay. It's coming slowly, but we don't know what it is. So you can deliver if the device is turned on, but it takes long time because it's a old model laptop. It takes long time.
It's okay. They can read that.
Or tell them to go for an extra one more RAM. Maybe it makes little per speed, not much. They can see the difference, little difference.
Because
it
they
has
have only one RAM.
Yeah, 2 slot it has. Only one have they got only one RAM. That also has a faulty. See, it's power on. Okay.
Oh.
So grade basketball. Okay. Everything's are there. The data's everything. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to. I think they use the Windows 11 in this. Windows 10.
No.
Windows 10.
Windows
So
10.
that's why it's too slow. Okay, because this laptop is designed to run only Windows 7. Now they're using Windows 10 in this, so that could be a reason, another reason. Okay, so see, it's a Windows 10,
So you can
and also activate Windows. Windows is not activated because this doesn't support this model. That's why. Okay, so go to here, PC. It's Windows 10. That's why you can directly access information from the PC. Properties. More faster, okay? But they need to replace the old hard disk to the latest hard disk, SSD.
Okay.
System will work more faster.
Yeah, that's what they said. Also, the problem also is SSD.
Already, Kuya has bought one SSD. He told me when I visited last time with them. He was asking me, remember?
He asking you
Yeah, he was
what he
asking.
said.
He was asking what is the price. Then I told there is a ranges between.
Oh, see, yeah. So maybe he asked you
150 to
that
300.
because of
It
this.
also depends on the size what they are looking for.
Maybe they asking you because of this. Because he told me that.
Software is crashing. I tried to open, but it's crashing because this doesn't handling the task. The command installed this laptop installed 2023 last year last before. So they give it to some technician, they installed. Okay, that is the date. I'm gonna shut down the system, so you can take your phone and speak to them if you want. I will shut down the system, and also battery need to be changed.
Okay.
We have to check.
So, we'll tell her.
I'll switch off the system.
Okay, yeah. We'll tell her. Hi, Tita.
Now time is
7:22. Oh my gosh.
Hello Tita, this is the time now we are updating you. 7:22. Okay. Actually, by the way, this is her first video,
Yeah.
and she started from your laptop, and also it's like a laptop repair.
Yeah, laptop repair.
She's performed laptop repair. Shut on. RAM need to be replaced.
RAM.
Battery need to be replaced.
RAM, battery.
Need to be replaced.
Okay. What is ano pa?
And
Anything else?
operating system and SSD need to be updated.
Rating system.
Upgrading system
Need to upgrade it.
to be upgrade
Okay. Then
with high speed means SSD.
high speed
Mean,
SSD.
yeah.
Then
Or else you can stick with the same. Okay. You
like
can
that.
show now your Aarti also can see it.
Yes.
Oh, the numbers are there. Their number. Okay.
Software, hardware, updating that it's operating system. Okay. Anything else? And last,
We can deliver today. You can collect it today if you want.
you.
Okay, soon you're going to watch this video. Your how to you call in your language. You tell your language. I don't know how to say.
Wait.
Your tala. It's your tala's first fix of this year.
Yes.
Diagnosing and fix.
Diagnose.
Successfully
Nice.
fix.
The fix also is within na.
Correct.
Because you
Like
because you teaching me how. What is the problem with this laptop? So at least it comes to know also what is the problem.
Okay, Tita. She will message you because I
Yes,
have
I will
other things to do. I need this table. She occupied. I have a lot of work to do one by one. So this is a little bigger task those are.
Yeah.
So it's been waiting on my table. So I need to
And
start
we need
that.
also to
You can see that video if you like in my
yes.
channel.
Yes.
I'm not going to put in her channel. Okay, that is in my channel. Give little more likes and love. Subscribe. Tell to all your friends.
Like,
Okay.
subscribe.
Thank you. God bless you, everyone. Stay in touch with us.
Yes, and happy New
And
Year.
also, we will bring you yesterday the cake, but it was overnight
Yeah,
it's a late night.
Late night
because we
na.
went to temple. First, we
and
went to church. So we can only go inside. There is a internally maze lines. Okay.
Yeah.
You can't come back.
So much crowded.
So successfully we attend the mass prayer. Then after that
Must.
took her to Sai Mandir, our temple, Hindu temple.
The temple.
We went half the way inside. We spent around 1 hour
1
thinking.
hour thinking.
Then we came to know that there is
There's
yet
other-
more 3 levels we have to go once we enter inside the building.
Is it the building?
So she and me, you don't know how we break to come outside.
Because it's a lane na.
The way how it is difficult to
It's
go inside, the
closed,
same way it is
road,
difficult to come outside
yes.
also. So by the time we came out, it's 8:30,
8:30. But
and from there we got into
Got,
the metro. Metro is so crowded. We get down again.
Yes.
Then we go to the last station of what is that station name? This
Life
Life
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. From there we got the seat because we went to the last station just to get
Sit.
sit and travel
because
up to
almost 1 hour,
Burjman.
no?
Yeah, it's
Burjman.
1 hour.
1 hour travel.
So by the time we reach, we almost 10:30.
11.
Yeah, 11.
11.
No, 10:30. Because 11 o'clock, you remember, we buy the food in the
11 exactly.
Yeah,
That's what
11.
11. We're in the veg mina.
Yeah, veg
We
meal.
go down 11:06.
Yes, right. So this is the reason we not able to meet you
Yeah,
yesterday.
that's why.
But today I heard from her that you going to visit us here to collect the
So may kita sa kami.
mobile phone. Your mobile phone also
Any of
repaired.
that time.
So thank you so much for watching, and
Thank you
God bless
so
you.
much for
and
watching.
tell if you like my work and her work, or your
Yeah.
friend circle. It could be any device, any problem. One final solution is think.
Techie. Always remember, think techie.